Discover in this video how to control the variable dosing of fertilizer with Jaltest ISOBUS by means of a prescription map. With this method, the implement is capable of adjusting efficiently the fertilizer dosing according to the specific needs of the field, such as ground humidity, fertility, or vegetation, therefore increasing or reducing the amount of material applied as required. When a prescription map is loaded in Jaltest ITC display, it is automatically activated in the text-created task. During this task, the implement does not start working until entering the defined area. When exiting this area to change the guidance line, it stops in order not to waste material. When performing the task, Jaltest ISOBUS configures the implement parameters based on the prescription map imported, which saves time and material and facilitates the implement labor.